Hello, is a palindrome number. In this video, we will check whether the given number is palindrome or not. Okay, given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Here input is a integer type and the output is a boolean type. Okay, true or false. So what is palindrome? Palindrome nothing but a sequence of characters or integers or phrases. So whether reading forward or backward, that means reading from right to left or left to right should be same. Okay, suppose if you take this example, x equal to 1 to 1, 1 to 1 reads as 1 to 1 from left to right and right to left. Okay, so 1 to 1 is a palindrome number, so we have to check from the forward and the backward, reading characters from the forward and the backward also. So suppose if you take another example, x is equal to minus 1 to 1, it's false, it's not a palindrome number, because from left to right it reads as minus 1 to 1, from right to left it becomes 1 to 1 minus. Okay, therefore it is not a palindrome. Okay, so like that, given you should check given number is palindrome or not, input taken from the keyboard, palindrome or not. Okay, so before checking the palindrome you have to know the reversing an string or integer. Okay, reversing an integer, how to reverse a given integer or string. Okay, suppose if you take x equal to 3 to 1 or 1 2 3, take it. Okay, 1 2 3, right? So I want to reverse this integer. Okay, so for that we have to use array slice operator, but array slice operator accepts input is sequence type. Okay, whether list or string. Okay, so we have to convert into string this one. So just to convert into string, simple, x equal to 1 to 3, y is equal to x, array to reversing a integer, just you have to use in step position give minus 1. Okay, so that's it, simple, print y, right? Okay, 3 to 1. Okay, same if you give string here, how, so reversing or reverse of how is wh. Okay, suppose if you want to reverse an integer, okay, 1 2 3, so you have to convert this x into string here. Okay, string of x, right, and convert the string into integer now, int of y, right? Execute it, right? 3 to 1, 1 2 3, 3 to 1. Okay, so we have to write a palindrome program. So first we have to give an input string or integer, and we have to reverse it, and we have to compare the reversing of the integer string with the original string or character. So that we have to write, we'll write program now. Define palindrome function, define palindrome, write any name, give any name here, and pass an integer here, x, right, x, and only positive integer numbers should accept this one. So we have seen, no, only positive numbers, because negative numbers has to return false. For that we have to write if condition, if x less than 0 or equal to 0, return false, simple, return false, right? And we have to convert the given integer into string here, is equal to string of x. We are converting integer into string here. Okay, because array slice operator accepts strings or any sequence type, list or like that. Okay, so that's why just return, okay, return s. S means the given integer. Okay, given we are converted to string here, given integer s equal to, we have to use array slice operator, as I said, array slice function -1. So given string into, if the given integer equal to reversing of an integer number, it returns true, otherwise returns false. Okay, that's nothing but a palindrome number. Okay, so take the input from the keyboard, x is equal to integer input enter int. Okay, integer or int, whatever, and given integer convert into the string, and we are comparing the given integer into reversing of an integer. Okay, so if it is same, it returns 2, it is a palindrome number, otherwise it's false. If it is 2, it is a palindrome number, false means not a palindrome number. Okay, so print just palindrome x here, simple, palindrome of x, simple, execute it now. So enter integer, so 1 2 1, see true here. Okay, means it's palindrome number. So enter another integer, -1 to 1, -1 to 1 returns false, because if x less than 0, it returns false here. Only positive numbers are accepted here. Okay, that's about the palindrome number, checking the palindrome or not, whether it is true or false. And also you can check with the string also. Just take out this int here and check with string here. Simple. This is a simple approach, brute force approach. You can do another type also, but I am telling here is very simple approach here. Okay, checking the palindrome or not, checking the given integer whether it is palindrome or not. Okay, that's it.